pinaka-affordable na minimalist house sa Bacoor, Cavite, located beside Villar City and few minutes drive going to Vermosa. Kaya naman kung interesado ka, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Napakaganda nga ng location dahil very accessible sa lahat. At accessible din ito to Manila dahil paglabas mo ng subdivision, may dumadaan na ditong bus going to PITX. Lot area is 48 square meters, kaya naman may provision tayo for one carport. Ang maganda nga sa property natin na to ay limited restriction, kaya naman pwede tayo mag-expand sa front and back for future home expansion. May floor area na 42 square meters, kaya naman may enough space pa rin tayo para sa ating living, dining at kitchen area. Complete finished turnover na nga rin to, kaya naman livable na to upon turnover. Meron tayong 2 bedroom at 1 toilet and bath with complete fixtures. You can reserve this property for only 20,000 pesos. Ito pa, no spot down payment ito at ang down payment natin ay payable for 24 months for as low as 19,000 monthly. Kaya naman kung interesado ka sa property na to, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!